Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Today I'm going to talk about importance of body health in our life. Body health is very important in our life. So how can we keep body health in our life? I'm going to talk about that matter. If we want to keep body health, we should eat vitamin protein food consistently in our life. We should drink water every day, 3 or 4 liters, and exercise also very important. We should do exercise, any kind of exercise we can keep in our life, and sleeping is very important. So we should sleep 7 or 8 hours of every night, and we should avoid bad habits like drinking, smoking. This kind of bad habit we should avoid. And so many people have outside food eating habit. We can enjoy outside food like hotel, fast food, restaurant food. We can enjoy once in a week, no problem, but consistently outside food eating habit is very danger for our body health. We should avoid consistently outside food eating habit, and we should avoid drinking alcohol, smoking. This kind of bad things also we should avoid. And we can understand, we get vegetables and fruits coming from other state, from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and if we want to get organic vegetables, we can easily cultivate organic vegetables in our yard or in our land or in our terrace also. We can cultivate. If we want to get organic vegetables, we can easily cultivate. So many people keep this habit. I appreciate them. We can also start. It's very important. And yeah, in conclusion, we should eat vitamin protein food, and we should keep exercise regularly. We should drink uh, water 3 liter or 4 liters every day, and we should sleep 7 or 8 hours of every night, and we should avoid bad habits like drinking alcohol, smoking, this kind of bad habit. And mobile phone long time using also not good habit. We can avoid this habit also. We can use mobile phone a few time, and we have to spend our time with our friends, with our family also. At that time also we get enjoyment, because when we spend our time with our family, friends, that time we get mental health also. Body health depend with mental health. That's why if we want to keep body health, that time we have to keep our mental health also. Okay, I give you some advice. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.